Okay, now the last one, we need to connect the water tank. The motor and the laser head all installed finished. Now the last one is the water tank.
即係佢收到貨之後，佢入邊冇水嘅，要加水。
First, when we receive the machine, we need to open the water tank from here. First, here not have the water. We need to instead, we need to confirm here must fill in the water.
大概3/4差唔多啦。
The water must fill up to here. About up to here is okay.
加個純淨水。
Because when we deliver the machine, cannot have some water inside. So when you receive the machine, you need to increase the water yourself. After the water finished, we need to connect here.
個數字。
Here we have the number. We have the number. Same number. Connected.
1對1，2對2。
1 to 1, 2 match 2. Okay.
然後將個
佢嗰度有個窿。
Power.
執上嚟。
Okay. Now the water tank finished. And now we need to install the compressor with the air through the machine.
呢個電。溝。
You need to assemble the compressor first, and then pipe up. You stay here. Okay. Open. Then the pressure will go up.
大概0.3。
It's about 0.3 kg is enough. 0.3.
跟住過嚟啦，飛機。
Okay. After all of this finished, now we come to here, open the machine, open the power. This is the total power. This is the laser power. True power, you need to open. And then come to here. Click this one. 到了吗？
可以應該試一下。
Now we check the machine and the laser. We operate the machine and check the machine and the laser.
測試一下打點焊接。
We test the welding and cutting. The laser connecting, welding and the cutting. This is the welding, this is the cutting.
跟住再將呢啲線固翻好佢就得㗎啦。
If we confirm and test no problem, here we need to use this one, complete the cable, all the cable. Now it's finished.